welcome back to my channel Friendly Discussions. It's me Gayatri to discuss the science first chapter of class 9. The name of the chapter is Matters in Our Surroundings. Before starting my video, I want to say you that I'm really very sorry to being inactive in my social medias. If you don't know about our social media, then go and follow us on our Facebook page and our Instagram. The link is in the description box. By not wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Okay, so the first part is the physical natures of matter. Matter is defined as anything that occupies space and mass. Air is also a matter because it occupies space plus mass. Heat, light, electricity and magnesium are not included as a matter because they are massless and they didn't occupy any type of space. On the basis of chemical properties, matters are divided into three parts. The first one is gas, and the second one is solid, and the third one is liquid. On the basis of chemical properties, the matters are divided into three parts: elements, compound, and mixtures. Now the second part is physical nature of particles. Matter is made up of particles. When we dilute salt in the water solution, the salt gets vanished. Do you know where it goes? It gets settled between the space between the water solution. Now the third part is particles of matter are very small. Now this is an experiment. Let's discuss about this experiment. When the solution of potassium permanganate and water is diluted again and again, it is observed that the presence of the particle of potassium permanganate through the color of the solution became light. This experiment shows that just few crystals of potassium permanganate can color a large volume of water. We conclude that there must be a million of teeny particles in just a crystal of potassium permanganate. Now, the fourth part is the characteristics of particle of matter. What is matter? Matter, anything that occupies space and mass, are known as matter. It exists in 5 basic elements, the Panchatattva: air, fire, water, earth and sky. For example, chair, bed, mountain, tree, river and etc. Now, the fifth part is the characteristics of matter. Matter is made up of very small particles called atoms. These particles are too small to be absorbed in a naked eye. These particles are moving constantly. These particles have space between themselves. Particles of matter attract each other because of force of attraction. Diffusion. Particles of matter intermix on their own with each other. They do so getting into the space between the particles. This intermixing of particles of two different type of matter on their own is called diffusion. Now, the sixth part is the application of diffusion, dissolving of solid in a liquid. When a crystal of potassium permanganate is placed in a beaker with a solution of water, the water slowly turns into purple by its own, even without stirring. Both potassium permanganate crystal and water are made up of teeny particles. When the potassium permanganate crystal is put in the water, the purple colored particle of potassium permanganate spread throughout water, making the water look purple. Actually, on the dissolving, the particles of potassium permanganate get into space between the particle of water. This shows that the particles have space between them and are continuously moving by its own. Now, the seventh part is the mixing of two gases. Fragments of incense stick agarbatti lightened in one corner of a room. Further, it spread in the whole room quickly. The particle of the gases or vapor produced by burning of incense sticks rapidly in all direction and mix with the moving particle in the air in the room. This also shows that the particles of matter are constantly moving. Now, the basic classification of matter. There are three parts based upon particle arrangement, based upon energy of particles, based upon distance between the particles. Now there are three states of matter. First one is gas, second one is solid, and the third one is liquid. So this was the first part of this chapter. The second part is coming soon, and if you want to be notified, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you like to discuss with me, then like, share, comment. Thank you.